Hey you guys, welcome. Today we are making an amazing recipe for you which will fill your tummy and also give you all the nourishment that you need. It will energize you and it's going to be great to eat. So let's get into the video. We are in a very beautiful place called New York, and this place has a community kitchen where my friend is making the amazing salad. I'm going to show you guys. Hey Vishnu, what are you making today?
I'm making a simple salad and we're going to make a dal salad. Like a nice transition dish for people who want to move into raw food but don't yet want to eat 100% raw.
Wow. So what are going to be the ingredients for it?
Well, we're going to have dal and aloo, which we will cook in a cooker, and then apart from that we will have cucumbers, tomato, zucchini, chili, onion, capsicum and a few other things which would be raw.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
So we will be having all the ingredients in the list below so that people are easily able to follow through, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So here are the ingredients. We have cucumber and zucchini, lemons, a small broccoli. We have capsicum, more cucumber, chilies, spring onions and tomatoes. You can always choose different ingredients as per your taste. We have the dal boiling here. We're not putting any oil in it, nothing but just dal. You can also put sweet potato if you want, but it's not necessary.
We will be putting some potato today, but you can put whatever you feel like. You can put sweet potato, you can put yam, or you don't need to put anything as well. Or you can put cauliflower, pumpkins as well. All the vegetables that you cannot eat raw, you can add it into that pot. Everything that you can eat raw, you can just eat it raw directly.
Ooh, thank you.
There, now we're gonna... Now with the potatoes, I like to keep the skins on, and I also chop them up in big cubes. Yeah.
In the dal, we are putting 4 flavoring things: black salt powder, cumin, turmeric, and sambar masala. You can put it according to your taste.
While the dal is getting cooked, we can shred these cucumbers and zucchinis so that we can save time.
We are cutting out other ingredients. Put all the ingredients in a bowl together.
As you can see, that's a lot of raw food right there, because all of that is absolutely raw. And we're going to use the dal just to kind of mix it in together.
Gonna be squeezing some lemons as well to taste. Put some broccoli also in here. This is optional.
Yeah, I didn't put the broccoli in the beginning. I just put it after it was done, just so that it can steam a little bit inside. Now, to give you a bit of perspective on the scale, for that many veggies, I'm probably going to add 3 servings of dal, or maybe 4.
Wow, that looks yummy, darling.
Yep, I think that's about it. Yep, that's about it. And then we can mix it in together nicely.
And we're good to go. Hey Vishnu,
Yes.
how does it taste?
Tastes quite awesome actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, thank you for sharing this beautiful recipe with people.